Cole Schwietering of Movement Mortgage, and we are going to talk about the loan process from application to close, and he's going to answer some questions that I get from people. But first I want to let him tell you how the Movement Mortgage process is different.
Yes, Ashley, well, thank you so much for having me. I really do enjoy your videos, by the way. Those are excellent and educational. So kind of to tell you how we're a little bit different at Movement Mortgage is we have a process that we call 6-7-1, and what that stands for is 6-hour upfront underwriting, 7-day processing, and then 1-day closing. So just to kind of tell you a little bit what we have going on there is how we're a little bit different from other people is we do what you call upfront underwriting. So to kind of give you an idea, say you're interested in looking for a home, where we recommend you starting is by talking to a lender first. And going toward, and then looking to get a pre-approval. So you would come to me, we would go ahead and go through the application together. I would ask you some questions, gather some information from you, enough to be able to pull your credit. So that way we can compare your monthly income to your monthly liabilities. And after that is done, then we'll have a better idea of what you'll qualify for or what you may need to do to get in a qualifying standpoint. And if everything looks great, what we'll do is go ahead and start collecting all the documents from you.
What documents do you collect?
So some of the documents that we collect are W-2s for the last 2 years, last 30 days of pay stubs, last 60 days of bank statements, so that's usually your last 2 months of bank statements. Your driver's license, landlord contact information if you rent. And then there's a couple of movement mortgage forms that we have you sign just to get the ball rolling, which authorizes us to pull credit and move forward with the process.
Awesome. Okay, so a lot of the people I've been getting phone calls from, they're gung-ho about the process and they really want to get started, but they're freaked out about getting their credit pulled because they don't want their precious points wasted. Can you tell me how that works?
Yeah, so usually how it works, and this does depend on your credit, but usually it'll affect your credit 2 to 3 points, so it's considered a hard pull, not a soft pull. However, the good thing is you actually have 30 days from that first pull, and any other lender that pulls within that 30 days, it only affects your credit one time.
Awesome.
So it kind of gives you some time there to consider options and to look around. Yeah,
to really compare the loans out there, apples to oranges and things like that.
Very much so.
Awesome. So since you have this awesome 6-7-1 program, how quick can you close?
Yeah, so it really does depend on the complexity of the file, whether you're self-employed or W-2 wage earner, whatever that may be. But we've closed files in as quick as 2 weeks. It really just does depend.
And holidays and snow days.
Holidays,
like
you have your weekends. Obviously, the operational staff is not there on the weekends, so.
But we're there.
Yep, that's exactly right. We work all the time.
Awesome. So, is there anything else you want to add? Anything that can make a process go quicker, or things that has happened where it made the process go slower?
Yeah. So one thing I definitely recommend, and especially in this market, is to go ahead and get pre-approved, which is different from a pre-qualification. Is really what a pre-qualification is presenting that information to a loan officer and then making educational guess based off the information you provide. So pretty much what we do at Movement Mortgage is take that a step further. We take the information from you, collect the documents to back the information, and put it in front of an underwriter. So that is what you call a pre-approval. Which is awesome when you're negotiating on the real estate Very much so. That is very appealing, a pre-approval letter in the seller's eyes. And it'll make your offer way more competitive.
Exactly. We need that now.
Exactly.
Awesome. And what is the lowest you can go with the credit scores?
Yeah. So it does depend on loan programs. The lowest we can go at Movement Mortgage on an FHA loan is a 580. Conventional, I believe, is 640. And so that's kind of your 2 ballparks there. And then we do obviously your VA loans, your USDA loans, etc.
Okay, awesome. Well, I'm going to put all of Cole's information below in the comments, and when it's time for you to start your home buying process, definitely get pre-approved with Cole. His link to his application is down there as well as his phone number, so he's really great to work with. We've had a lot of success with our clients so far, so I look forward to talking to you soon. Bye.
Thanks, guys.